All right, a quick room tour of room 231 at Willows Lodge in Woodinville, Washington. We're going to be doing a little bit of wine tasting, and right down by the wineries, of course. And first things first, really nice room. Showing you everything in here. Little peekaboo thing there to the front room. Got really large shower. And you run it by this deal over here. So that'll be fun to learn. Pet friendly trip. There's Tigretto Carino, or Tiggy as we like to call him. And come out here, closet space. Closet space and a safe. And Tiggy getting to everything. It's gonna be in the middle of everything. Gonna get shut in there. Okay. There's the other two, Cole and Jolie. Enjoying it. We just got here, so they're a little bit wound up still. New fun place. Nespresso coffee machine. They're awesome. We've had them in other room tours and other rooms we've stayed in. They're great. Nice comfortable looking bed. That goes, again, a little peekaboo deal here. And closes. And now you see me, now you don't kind of deal. Fireplace. Puppy beds. They very pet friendly. They really hook you up. They want to know how many you're bringing, what their names are, things like that. They give you little wipes for their feet and treats and different things. Gas fireplace, which I don't know if that's going to show up that great during the day, but yeah, so it's a pretty cool little place here. And you got a balcony, and off of our balcony we can see there's a couple of pigs back here that they're training to hunt truffles. Karen said one of the names was Basil. She couldn't remember the other one, but it's for the Herb Farm, a really nice restaurant here. Their herb garden is right there, and so we have company right behind us, a couple of pigs. Please click on the link above to watch a full adventure of wine tasting in Woodinville and Willows Lodge. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with friends. And we'll see you next time on Ehrhorn Adventures.